Good morning student, I am your bio teacher and in this video we will see the red blood cell. In the previous video already we have studied about that what is meant by blood, and the blood have a two component, plasma and cellular element. What is the plasma? Plasma is a liquid part of the blood which is present and in it, and the cellular elements, there is a three types of the cell which is present in the cellular element, and in this video we will see the red blood cell. Red blood cells, RBCs. It is also known as erythrocyte cell. It is also known as erythrocytes cell. The shape of the RBC is a biconcave in shape. Why biconcave? What is the shape? Shape of the RBC is a biconcave. Biconcave means it is the thin in middle and thick in periphery. In the physics, maybe you might have seen in the concave lens, it is the thin in center and thick in outside. When we are take the cross section of RBC, you can see the you can see like that structure. It is the cross section. It is the thick in outside and thin in middle. Why it is the biconcave in shape? Because it get the large surface area for diffusion the oxygen and carbon dioxide. Got it everybody? The size of the RBC. The size of RBC is a 7 micron. It is very small. And why it is very small? Because the blood is passes through by the thin capillaries. That's why the size of the RBC is very small, 7 microns. Easily it is travel through by the fine capillaries in our body and to reach the blood each and every parts of the body. Got it everybody? Next point of RBC in the male. In the male blood, there are 5 million RBCs. In male, 5 million RBCs are present in per cubic millimeter, and in female 4.5 million RBCs are present in per cubic millimeter. Next point of RBC is very important. In the RBC have a hemoglobin pigment. Hemoglobin is very important pigment which is present in the RBC. That's why the RBC get the red color. The hemoglobin pigment, it is also called as the respiratory pigment. Hemoglobin is present in the RBC. It is a compound hemin plus globin. Hemin means iron and globin means protein. It is a iron containing protein, is a hemoglobin, and hemoglobin is why very important in the blood? Because it is a compound, and this compound react with oxygen, react with carbon dioxide and transport the oxygen from lungs to the all parts of the body and pick up the carbon dioxide from all parts of the body to the lungs. When the hemoglobin, in the previous video already I explained about that, when the hemoglobin react with oxygen and form the oxyhemoglobin, and when the hemoglobin react with carbon dioxide, carboaminohemoglobin. That's why it is called as the respiratory pigment. Got it everybody? Why the hemoglobin is very important in the blood? Because with the help of hemoglobin, the blood can transfer the carbon dioxide from body part to the lungs and oxygen from lungs to the body part. Where it is produced? The RBCs are produced in bone marrow of the long bone which is present in our body, like ribs. Second, the sternum. It is also called as the breastbone. Breastbone. It is also called as sternum and femur and hip girdle. It is the long bone which is present in our body, and in the bone marrow of this bone the RBCs are produced. In the bone marrow of the long bone is RBCs are produced in adult, and when we are in the embryo condition, that time the RBCs are produced in the liver. Got it everybody? Hemoglobin. And where the RBCs are produced? RBCs are produced in the bone marrow. Next point is very important. Some cell organelles like a nucleus, mitochondria and endoplasmic reticulums are absent in the cell, absent in RBCs. First we see mitochondria. Why the mitochondria is absent? Because you know that what is the main function of mitochondria is a cellular respiration, and in the cellular respiration is required the oxygen. If the mitochondria is present in the RBC, whatever oxygen is diffused in the RBC, first the RBCs are use the oxygen itself. That's why the mitochondria is absent in the RBCs, because the maximum oxygen is transferred to the all body part. And when the RBCs are produced in the bone marrow, that times nucleus is present. But after, as well as the RBCs are mature, the nucleus is lost. Why? Because it get the large surface area for a diffusion of gases, and endoplasmic reticulum is absent because the cell is get the flexibility to travel the small capillaries. Got it everybody? Which organelle which is absent in the cell? Next, the lifespan of RBCs is 120 days. The lifespan of RBC is 120 days. And when the RBCs are destroyed, the RBCs are destroyed in liver, spleen and bone marrow. RBCs are destroyed in liver as a bile pigment. Got it everybody? And next is the very important, the RBCs increase in the blood. Increase of RBCs in blood, we are causing the disease, is called as polycythemia. When the RBCs are increased in the blood, we are suffering the disease, is called as the polycythemia. And when decrease of RBCs in blood, we are suffering the disease, is called as erythropenia. Got it everybody? What is meant by RBCs? And the very important cells which is present in our blood, it is also called as erythrocytes cell. The shape of the RBC is biconcave. Why it is biconcave? It gets the large surface area for diffusion of the gases. The size of RBC is 7 micron. It is very small in size. Why? Because it can travel through by the small capillaries and get the blood from each and every parts of the bodies. In the blood, the RBCs, in male, the 5 million RBCs are present in the blood, and in female, 4.5 million RBCs per millimeter cube in the blood. The hemoglobin is very important protein which is present in the blood. It is compound, and the main compound which react with the oxygen and from the oxohemoglobin, and when the hemoglobin react with carbon dioxide, carb-aminohemoglobin. Hemoglobin is also called as the respiratory pigment. With the hemoglobin, the blood can transfer the respiratory gases from body to lungs and lungs to the body. And when where is the RBCs are produced? RBCs are produced in the bone marrow. Bone marrow means what? The long bone which is present in our body, and inside the long bone have a hollow cavity. There is a bone marrow, and in the bone marrow the RBCs are produced. In our adult, the ribs, breastbone, femur, hip girdles, there is RBCs are produced, and when in the embryo the RBCs are produced in the liver. And the RBCs, some organelles like nucleus, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulums are absent because why? The large amount of surface area which is get to the RBC cell, and it can transfer the large amount of oxygen to the body parts. And next is the lifespan of the RBC is a 120 days. After destroy the RBCs are destroyed in liver, spleen as a bile pigment. Got it everybody? What is mean by RBC? And when the RBC is increased in your blood, we are causing the diseases. It is called as the polycythemia. And when the RBCs are decreased in the blood, we are suffering from the erythropenia. Got it everybody? What is mean by the red blood cell? It is very important cell organelles. It is very important cellular element which is present in the blood. And next video we will see the WBC, means white blood cell. Thank you.